Hey everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what's new on my bead mat. I have been busy in my room. I haven't filmed as much because it's been kind of stressful in my house with everything, but I have been spending a lot of time in my bead room. I've been using it more as therapy. So I have made a ton of earrings and some necklaces and tried out some new patterns and stuff. So I just thought I'd share them with you. These are using Potomac beads, dollar bead box. I don't know about bargain bead box. Adorable Elements, a lot of their beads. I love their 2-hole beads. They always get my creative juices flowing. So yeah, so I'm just gonna start out and show you this. So this is my first one. These are just a pair of leaf earrings that I made, and that's the back of them. And they're kind of like a rustic, like they're not perfectly shaped, and I kind of like that, how they're kind of going, you know, both laying both ways. And I just used the yellow super duos and then the pink super duos and some pink seed beads and did the leaf beads around. And they don't, the leaves don't match exactly on both, but they're just such a fun pair of earrings, I thought. So I've just been in a really creative mood, but not in a filming mood. So yeah, but I wanted to share this with you guys because, you know, when you're working on projects, you don't know sometimes how they're going to turn out. You know, I've had pieces and I'm like, oh, I don't like the way these turned out. So, you know, I'm not filming them. And then if I do one and then I like the way it turns out, and then I can't do another one. So, yeah, so I just wanted to share everything that I've been working on though, because I thought it'd be fun. So here's one pair of my earrings. And then this was a new design that I started. Hold on one second. They're all tangled up here. I made these, and they were made from the half circles from Adorable Elements, and there's 3 holes. And so I just did like one long strand, and then I attached it with the seed beads. So I thought these look kind of cool. And then I have the ear wires so that when you're wearing them, you'll be able to see that. So I thought this was kind of a cool little pattern. Yeah, so I made these. And then this was something that I made. I thought this was really cool, and it's a pendant, and I used the 2-hole beads from Adorable Elements, and then I used some of my bugle beads. And then I made this little pattern of a necklace chain. I made it using the super duos and some seed beads. So I thought this turned out really cool. I like the way this looks. I think I'm going to keep this for myself. I'm not really sure. I don't know. But yeah, I loved this chain, the way this turned out. And this was actually really easy to do. I was just kind of stringing it along. And I'm like, oh, I like the way this looks. And so I ended up making a whole chain out of it. So, and then this is the other side of this. So it's just kind of domed. So let me put this right here. Lay this flat like that. So I have that, and then these are next. These were some fun beads. I used the gold seed beads, the gold super duos, and some of the, I think these were 6/0 seed beads, and then some of the Picasso Super Duos and the blue Super Duos, and just kind of, you know, worked my way around and made that little flower inside. I love working with the Super Duos. I'm obsessed with them right now. Yeah, and I just love all the color combinations and everything that you can make using these. Look how fun those look. Okay, so I have those. Then I made these, and I loved this color combo too. The green with the pink. I thought these turned out really cool. And then that was the little black seed beads in there. And then that's the backing. It's pretty much the same. Then I used some black ear wires. I've been using a lot of black ear wires with these if I have black seed beads, because I think they dress them up more. Because there's really not another, you know, a gold or silver or antique bronze metal look in here. So I just used the black to kind of match that. I think that really finishes that off really nice. So I have these. And then these were really fun to do. These are really sparkly. So I did these, and these are just, I forgot what these are called. I'm having, I tell Kaya, because she's going through chemo, my future daughter-in-law, I say, I'm getting your chemo brain lately. Yeah, so just 2 whole beads, and then, I forgot, I know you guys know what these are, and then my seed beads. And, yeah, and then just using some gold ear wires, and I love the way these turned out. Let's see what's next. Oh, these were fun. And I used the Aloha Paradise Potomac beads for these. These were the 2 whole beads for those. And then I used some black seed beads, some silver Super Duos, and then these AB Finish Super Duos with the purple and the green in there and stuff. And then the black seed beads with the silver Miyuki seed beads, and then finished it off with the black ear wire. So I love this color combo here. Can look very dressy. Okay. And then these were really fun to work on. And these, so this is like a little, if you see that's the back. I'll leave it one side the back, and this is the front. And I used, these were from the July box of Dollar Bead Box, the 2 whole square beads. And so I just connected them with the Potomac beads, these same beads right there, the green ones, and because those have 2 holes too. And then I connected them, and then I just fed some of the fire polish beads with the seed beads through, and just made like a little cross back and forth. And I thought these turned out really pretty. And that's it from the side. It's kind of got a unique look to it. So like I said, I've been in a really creative mood, and just trying to, you know, work with these and see what I want to make. And okay, and then here's another one. And this was green and pink and silver. I thought these were cool. And these are the green Miyuki seed beads. And these little pink, I think they're druck beads, very tiny. I think we got these from a Dollar Bead box a while ago. And then I have fire polish beads and just some silver ear wires, and they're pretty much the same on both sides. So that's that. And then I loved this color combo. And this was using these Super Duos. These caramel colored ones were from the July Adornable Elements box. I'm trying to think which one it was. I think it was the 2 whole beads. And then I used my own Super Duos and fire polish beads and some of the silver Miyuki seed beads, and really love the way this turned out. So that's the opposite side, and these fire polish beads just really added that pop of See how they kind of sparkle? So we got that. And then I've got these. These were really fun to make. And these were from the 2-hole kite beads from Adornable Elements from, I think, a couple months ago. They're 2-hole beads of the month club. And then I used tiny green fire polish beads, green seed beads, Miyoki seed beads, and then some bigger green fire polish beads. And just kind of finished that off, and then did copper ear wires to match the copper inside of these kite beads. So they're pretty much the same on both sides. So I loved these. Can you tell I'm obsessed with the 2-hole beads lately? Okay. And then I made, this was really fun. This was just like a fun, I just started, working this and just adding on different colors and everything. And then I finished it off with the blue like that and the green AB color. These were from Dollar Bead Box. And yeah, I did that. And then I just did the strand to match it. And then I did a silver lobster clasp. So I love this one. This one is so much fun. It's really colorful and it's got that pop of color to it and everything. And then I've got this last pair right here. These were using the 2-hole oval beads with fire polish beads and tiny silver Miyoki seed beads as well. And then I finished off with a silver ear wire. So these have that pop of sparkle in there. I've been busy. We have our market season's going to be coming up soon here in Florida. I think it starts in September or October. So I am getting ready for that. So I'm going to list as much as I can on my Etsy store, and then when I don't, I put it on my racks to sell at my markets. I love doing the markets. They're fun. So yeah, this is everything that I have made so far from what's new on my bead mat. I hope you enjoyed this. And I will leave a link below to all of the different bead boxes and companies that I used. And if I have a coupon code, I will leave that below as well. And I hope you enjoyed this. And stay tuned. I will be showing part 2 of what's new on my bead mat because I had so many things. I didn't want to make it all into one long video. So stay tuned for that. That will be next. And I will see you on my next video, and you have a great day.